It's another episode of Cooking with Cameron, and today I am going to show you how to make ravioli. First, of course, we need the ingredients, which I have cleverly hidden down in the cellar. I'll see you around, gotta go get them. Now that we have all the ingredients, I am going to start by, of course, putting in the tomato. Now that I'm starting to make the dish, I just wanted to tell you about my recent happenings. As you all know, last time my house was hijacked by a large man in a white beard. Well, since then, I have sadly had to relocate. Right now I am on the outskirts of Russia, hiding from anyone I can see. Santa has a warrant out for my arrest, and I do not want anyone to know my locations. Alright, so next, I am going to put in the Mountain Dew. It's great stuff, isn't it? It's full of proteins and fibers, and it's great. There we go. Let's pull the whole thing in. Now, of course, we're going to need to put in the Cheerios. Oh yeah, just dump all of them in. Yeah. We bring some extra crunch to your ravioli, you know. That's how I like to make them in Italia, my native country. Next, of course, you're going to need some Frosties. And then the jam. The most important part of your ravioli. There we go. There we go. Who needs utensils, huh? Just get it in there. Okay, well now that I have the jam, I should move on to the crackers. Next, of course, we're going to need the milk. There we go. Let's put it in there. And of course, the most important ingredient, the ketchup. Oh yeah, this is some good stuff right here. Delicious. So of course, for this part, you're going to need a fresh tomato stem. And you just go around and you just, mix it up. You can't use anything else because normal spinning utensils does not give you the extra tomatoey flavor. Now, the next step, as you may know, is usually to eat it. But today I have a very different plan. Today, since I am oh so humble, I am going to feed it to the local orphans that stay just behind this van. I can tell you that they will be very happy, as they have not eaten in 3 weeks.